Good day everyone, welcome to my channel. So in this video, we will learn how to write addition of three numbers using Rust programming language. Before we start, I would like to say thank you so much to all my viewers, silent viewers, and supporters in my channel. Thank you for watching my videos. If you are new in my channel and then you like this video, please hit the like button. Don't forget to share and please support my channel guys by clicking the subscribe button. So let's begin. I will put a link in the video description where you can download the complete source code of our tutorial video for today for free in my two websites. You may click the notification bell so that you will be notified with my newly uploaded video. Okay, so we have here fn main. It is the function of every Rust program. We have begin, and then I declare three variables. Let a equals 10, b equals 20, let c equals 30. So we have assignment statement here. Let sum equals a plus b plus c to find the sum of 10, 20, and 30. That will be 60, you know. So we have here print line sum of curly bracket 0, 1, 2, and 3. A, B, C, and sum. If you are familiar with Python, this command is somewhat similar, no? And then in TypeScript or JavaScript, the assignment of variable is also similar. Okay, let us go with our Visual Studio Code to run the program. Right click, run code. Okay, so we have here the output. Sum of 10, 20, and 30 is 60. Okay guys, so this is the end of our tutorial video on addition of three numbers using Rust programming language. Thank you so much guys for watching. If you have some questions, clarifications, comments, and suggestion, can you leave it in the comment section of this video. As I said earlier, I will put a link in the video description where you can download the complete source code of our tutorial video for today for free in my two websites. Thank you so much guys for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and please support my channel guys by clicking the subscribe button. See you in the next video tutorial guys. This is your friend Jake saying bye bye for now.